The drone market is standing on the precipice of a monumental shift. And if you think you have seen everything the ultra-lightweight palm drone category has to offer, you are about to be proven completely wrong. Inside DJI's heavily guarded research facilities, internal engineering files and supply chain manifests have surfaced, giving us an unprecedented look into what is shaping up to be the most radical pocket-sized aerial camera ever conceived. If you thought previous iterations solved the trade-off between weight, battery efficiency, and image processing, what is unfolding behind closed doors right now changes the rulebook entirely. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Today we are dissecting every single leaked technical document, sensor blueprint, thermal schematic, and firmware commit surrounding the upcoming DJI Neo 3 to discover why this tiny aircraft is causing panic across rival tech manufacturing floors. To truly understand why the DJI Neo 3 leaks are causing such a massive stir across the content creation industry, you have to look at the exact wall that many drone engineering hit over the last 2 years. For years, creators had to make an agonizing choice whenever they packed their gear bags. Do you carry a heavy, multi-kilogram setup with a massive gimbal and endless battery packs? Or do you settle for a sub, 249-gram drone that struggles in high winds, overheats after 15 minutes of continuous recording, and crops your video down to low bitrate clips? When the original micro-drone format emerged, it proved that palm takeoffs and self-tracking flight were not just gimmicks, but genuine workflows for solitary solo creators. Yet the physics of microaerodynamics were unrelenting. Miniature form factors meant tiny cooling vents, micro heat sinks, and tiny lithium-ion cells that drained in the blink of an eye. Creators were constantly watching their battery percentages plummet while praying the onboard processor would not thermal throttle mid-shot. The latest insider documents reveal that the engineering team behind the DJI Neo 3 targeted those exact pain points with absolute precision, fundamentally rethinking how light, air, heat, and silicon interact within a chassis that weighs barely more than a smartphone. The first major breakthrough uncovered in the leaked supply chain schematic centers around the primary imaging engine of the DJI Neo 3. Previous generations in this weight class were strictly limited by sensor size and heat dissipation, forcing manufacturers to cap video throughput at standard frame rates with noticeable compression artifacts in high-contrast environments. The leaked specifications for the DJI Neo 3 reveal an astonishing leap forward. A newly customized 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with an ultra-compact image processing chip designed specifically for ultra-high bitrate capture. We are talking about genuine 4K recording at 120 frames per second, uncompressed 10-bit D-Log M color profiles, and a staggering jump in dynamic range that allows the camera to simultaneously capture blinding direct sunlight and deep shadow detail without blowing out highlights. Imagine launching a drone straight off the palm of your hand and pulling cinematic, fluid slow-motion shots in 4K resolution with color depth that seamlessly matches multi-thousand-dollar cinema cameras. This single upgrade transforms the DJI Neo 3 from a casual vlogging tool into an indispensable asset for commercial filmmakers, real estate documentarians, and high-production YouTube creators who require cinematic fidelity without lugging around heavy camera rigs. However, cramming a high-throughput 4K 120 frames per second camera sensor into an ultralight frame introduces an immediate, ruthless enemy: thermal throttling. High frame rates and heavy bitrate processing generate massive thermal output, and in a micro-drone without proper cooling, the internal hardware would overheat within minutes. This is where the most fascinating architectural leak comes into play. Blueprints show that the DJI Neo 3 abandons traditional closed-hull plastic casings in favor of a revolutionary open-grill active ventilation system. By leveraging micro-aerodynamic intake channels carved directly into the structural frame, the downward draft produced by the drone's own propellers forces high-velocity airflow through an internal vapor chamber. NCE The DJI Neo 3 uses its own flight physics to cool its central processing unit and image sensor. Air is forced through tuned vent ducts directly over a microscopic copper vapor plate, dumping thermal energy out of the rear exhaust ports without adding heavy cooling fans or extra weight. This elegant thermodynamic design allows the DJI Neo 3 to record continuous, unthrottled high bitrate 4K footage even in blistering ambient temperatures without risking thermal shutdown or dropped frames. Flight time has always been the primary source of anxiety for drone pilots, especially when operating micro-drones where every second counts. Leaked internal benchmark logs indicate that the engineering team resolved to crush this limitation once and for all. Early CAD renders of the internal battery compartment reveal a brand new high-energy density solid-state battery cell design tailored for the DJI Neo 3. Rather than relying on standard lithium polymer chemistry that degrades rapidly under high discharge rates, this new battery architecture utilizes silicon anode technology to pack nearly 40% more energy density into the exact same physical footprint. Combined with the ultra-lightweight carbon-reinforced polymer frame and the aerodynamic efficiency of the new open grille housing, test logs point to real-world flight times exceeding 35 to 40 minutes on a single charge. For a drone that fits entirely inside your jacket pocket, a 40-minute flight time is completely unheard of. It completely alters how creators approach aerial shooting. You no longer have to rush through shots, worry about immediate battery swaps, or cut takes short out of fear that the drone will initiate an emergency auto-landing over water or dense foliage. The intelligence driving the autonomous flight capabilities of the DJI Neo 3 represents another monumental leap over its predecessors. According to leaked patent filings and software commits, the aircraft is equipped with a dedicated neural processing unit powered by next-generation machine learning algorithms. Earlier tracking systems relied heavily on basic optical contrast and simple color matching, which meant that if a subject walked behind a tree, entered a crowded urban area, or changed clothing, the drone would frequently lose lock and hover helplessly in place. The new AI subject tracking suite inside the DJI Neo 3 builds a real-time, three-dimensional skeletal mesh of the subject, tracking physical posture, motion vectors, and spatial trajectory. Whether you're sprinting down a dense forest trail on a mountain bike, skiing through blinding powder snow, or navigating through crowded city streets, the DJI Neo 3 maintains an ironclad lock on you. It anticipates obstacles, calculates complex cinematic paths around branches and power lines, and adjusts its position smoothly, giving you the impression that a professional aerial camera operator is flying right beside you. Safety and obstacle sensing have also been completely revamped to match this aggressive AI flight capability. Historically, lightweight micro-drones skipped multi-directional vision sensors to conserve power and stay beneath target weight thresholds. However, leaked manufacturing schematics reveal that the DJI Neo 3 incorporates ultra-miniaturized, ultra-wide optical sensor arrays embedded seamless into the front, bottom, and rear chassis points. Coupled with time-of-flight laser distance sensors, the DJI Neo 3 constructs a continuous 360-degree point cloud map of its immediate surroundings in real time. This means that even when flying backwards or executing sideways orbit maneuvers, the onboard AI continuously scans for wires, overhanging leaves, wall corners, and glass surfaces. If an obstacle enters its path, the DJI Neo 3 does not just abruptly stop and hover. It dynamically reroutes its trajectory in a smooth, continuous curve, preserving the fluidity of your shot while ensuring the safety of the aircraft and everyone nearby. One of the most thrilling aspects revealed in recent firmware breakdown leaks is the inclusion of multi-mode transmission flexibility. Rumors indicate that the DJI Neo 3 is built with full native support for both low-latency direct Wi-Fi smartphone links and advanced long-range digital transmission protocols. For rapid social media workflows, you can pop the drone onto your palm, tap a single button on the body, and let it perform quick autonomous flight paths like tracking, orbi. Ting, or spiraling up while transmitting instant preview footage directly to your smartphone for immediate editing and upload. But for serious pilots and cinematic creators, switching to a dedicated long-range remote controller unlocks the full potential of the onboard wireless system. Leaked frequency test sheets reveal robust multi-band transmission capabilities that maintain rock-solid, ultra-low latency HD video feeds over distances of several miles, piercing through heavy signal interference in dense suburban and urban environments where lesser signals routinely fail. The immersive flying community is also in for a massive surprise, according to these latest leaks. Internal compatibility matrices demonstrate that the DJI Neo 3 is designed with complete out-of-the-box support for next-generation FPV goggles and motion controllers. This dual identity transforms the aircraft from a stable, autonomous vlogging camera into an agile, highly responsive micro FPV racer with a single toggle in the setting menu. In FPV mode, the flight controller opens up full manual controls, enabling acrobatic rolls, razor-sharp power loops, and tight indoor building dives. The structural design of the prop guards on the DJI Neo 3 has been reinforced with a high-durability composite compound that absorbs impact energy without flexing or snapping. This means beginner pilots can explore aggressive FPV flight techniques, bounce off walls or branches during indoor practice, and continue flying without catastrophic propeller damage or costly repairs, making high-end cinematic FPV accessible to everyone regardless of prior flight experience. Audio recording has historically been the Achilles heel of self-tracking vlogging drones. Traditional palm drones capture breathtaking visuals, but the sound of spinning propellers right next to the subject results in deafening high-pitched buzzing that renders onboard microphone audio completely unusable. Leaked audio pipeline patents show that the engineering team solved this problem for the DJI Neo 3 by developing an integrated dual-stream acoustic noise cancellation algorithm. When synced with your smartphone, smartwatch, or external wireless microphone setup, the DJI Neo 3 samples environmental acoustic frequencies in real time and uses active noise suppression software to scrub out blade turbulence and motor whine. The result is crystal clear, broadcast-quality vocal audio recorded simultaneously with your 4K video footage, completely eliminating the tedious post-production work of aligning external audio tracks or attempting to filter out mechanical noise in complex audio editing suites. The hardware interface on the physical body of the DJI Neo 3 has also been modernized to streamline solo operations. CAD models show a ultra-bright, mini OLED quick status screen embedded directly into the top housing. This crystal-clear display provides instant, readable feedback on battery percentage, remaining internal storage, current shooting mode, and satellite lock status without needing to pull out a phone or sync a controller. Below the display, custom multi-function capacitive buttons allow creators to cycle through preset flight paths, switch between horizontal 4K video and native vertical 4K recording for vertical video platforms, and trigger immediate palm takeoff in seconds. Native vertical recording is a massive win for modern content creators, as the mechanical gimbal inside the DJI Neo 3 physically rotates 90 degrees to utilize the full sensor area, avoiding the severe resolution degradation associated with digital cropping. Storage limitations have also been directly addressed in these recent leaks. While previous models relied solely on modest internal memory chips that filled up rapidly during high bitrate recording sessions, documents show that the DJI Neo 3 features expandable ultra-high-speed microSD card expansion alongside a massive leap in base internal flash storage. Furthermore, the onboard USB-C port has been upgraded to support high-speed data transfer protocols, allowing you to plug the DJI Neo 3 directly into an iPad, laptop, or external SSD to transfer gigabytes of high-resolution 4K 120 frames per second video files in seconds. This eliminates long wireless download times and keeps your creative workflow moving smoothly whether you are editing on a mountaintop, in a coffee shop, or at your desk back home. Looking closely at the competitive landscape, the emergence of the DJI Neo 3 comes a pivotal moment in the consumer camera industry. Competitors have been attempting to gain market share by releasing lightweight selfie drones, yet many of these alternatives suffer from subpar camera stabilization, fragile frames, and limited range capabilities. The leaked technical parameters of the DJI Neo 3 show that the company is aiming for absolute market dominance across every tier. By combining cinema-grade 10-bit color, advanced AI tracking, 360-degree obstacle sensing, robust FPV compatibility, and an innovative thermal management system into a lightweight package, the DJI Neo 3 effectively eliminates the justification for buying single-purpose budget drones or oversized, bulkier setups for standard daily vlogging. Pricing and availability rumors gathered from regional trade registry filings suggest that the product tiering strategy for the DJI Neo 3 will remain remarkably aggressive. Leaked retail inventory SKUs hint at a base package designed specifically for budget-conscious creators who want a standalone palm-launching drone, alongside a comprehensive Fly More combo that includes additional high-density batteries, a multi-battery fast-charging hub, spare reinforced propellers, and a custom protective travel case. An additional motion combo SKU appears to bundle the latest FPV goggles and intuitive motion controller for users seeking an immediate immersive flight experience out of the box. By keeping the barrier to entry remarkably accessible while delivering pro-level features, the launch of the DJI Neo 3 is set to capture both first-time buyers and seasoned aerial cinematographers looking for a compact secondary rig. When you synthesize all the leaked information, internal schematics, and performance benchmarks, a clear picture emerges of an aircraft engineered to shatter expectations. The DJI Neo 3 is not merely an incremental update or a simple spec refresh. It represents a comprehensive convergence of AI, computer vision, cutting-edge thermal engineering, next-gen battery chemistry, and cinema-grade optics squeezed into an incredibly small footprint. It removes every traditional friction point that has held creators back from capturing effortless, high-production aerial footage. As official launch announcements draw closer, the anticipation across the global tech community continues to reach a fever pitch. Stay locked into the channel for further updates as more technical documents, real-world flight footage, and official confirmation details surface, because the age of compromise in micro-drone cinematography is officially coming to an end.